You don't block it.
I'll try not to block. Are we going?
Y'all?
We're rolling.
Y'all?
Gonzo, how you doing today?
I'm good.
We have Misty helping us.
About time, Misty.
She's not helped us a lot. We have our patient Lineman. How you doing, Lineman?
I'm fine.
You can.
He's like, I don't want to talk.
He doesn't want to talk. Lineman, you got a little friend here that lives underneath your right arm. How long you had this?
Man, as long as I can remember.
So really, years and years.
Yeah.
Okay. Has it ever bled?
No.
Now you attempted a home surgery on this, didn't you?
Yeah, it was probably about twice as long.
Really? How did that go?
Cold spray, man.
You're okay if we video for all our friends on YouTube, all right?
Yeah.
A couple of those 4x4s. Good.
You gonna miss a little friend?
He sure is. Misty, what I want you to do is just spray that cold spray. That bottle works better if you flip it around the other way.
Like this. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna spray it when you spray it.
Don't spray me in the eye with it.
Spray it like...
Gonzo. Okay. All right, give me a little spray right there.
No, tilt it all the way down.
There you go.
You got it.
All right,
she got it.
stop.
Don't
Little
freeze
stick.
the needle like I do.
What's it gonna
Stick,
feel? There
sting,
you go.
and a burn.
How'd we do it? Did we call it?
Mm,
Feeling much pain?
no, not now.
Good. It did initially?
A little bit.
A little bit initially. We'll give you a little more back here. A little more. So you tried tying it off with a string, right?
Right.
Okay. Sometimes that works.
How come discoloration only lasted for a little bit? Just hold it there.
The
Just
discoloration.
put it there. Yeah. Like it didn't go complete like the other ones.
Well, this is different. This is a pedunculated lesion, which means it has a stalk. And that's by definition, that's what a skin tag is. So this one warmed right back up right away.
The scissors and the that one, yeah.
Very good. We're now going to excise the skin tag.
Ooh.
We're going to grab right there. We're going to make a little cut. Just like, how was that?
That's crazy. Your friend is gone.
It's gone.
He went bye-bye.
It didn't fall on the floor and wiggle
No.
like a worm.
No,
No.
we're going to save it for you and put it in a little jar. I'm going to need a stitch, please, ma'am. Did you feel anything?
No, not then.
Okay.
My language today is not perfect. I don't know where my language is coming from today.
It's coming from El
Well,
Salvador.
He
Give me
needs
a
the
little
scissors
cut there.
because you need to cut it.
Oh,
I thought you were going to cut for me.
For me?
I'll cut it. Where you want it?
A
Right there.
little bit shorter, a little bit right there's good. I like that.
I can't. I have no gloves on.
Gloves on.
No.
I'm not good enough for you?
You're not the Gons.
Yeah, there's only one Gons.
That's fine. That's true.
Guess what? I think you're all finished, my friend. Give me a little alcohol swab, please. I'm
Here, I
just
want
showing what it
some.
looked like. You want to see what it looked like?
Yeah.
There it is, right there.
Bye-bye, friend.
I'm gonna pass off the skin tag to you. And I'm going to use this alcohol just to kind of clean you up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to give you a Band-Aid to put on that. Just keep it covered. Come back in a week, we'll take that stitch out for you. If you really feel aggressive and it looks like it's healed well and you want to take that stitch off yourself, that's certainly okay.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stock up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps, quote, make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system, end quote. If you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today. There are Amazon links in the description below. Order today with Amazon Prime.